News just coming in. A TMC worker was allegedly stabbed to death in West Bengal's Paschim Medinapur district in the early hours of today, hours before polling started in the area. The TMC worker was at a local club in Hariharpur in the district's Keshpur area along with a few others when around 10 to 15 people allegedly attacked him with sharp weapons. The victim's family has alleged that BJP goons attacked him to create tension in the area and to intimidate voters ahead of polling. Anuj, give us more details of this particular incident. Now, we understand that the TMC worker was allegedly stabbed to death.
Well, that's something what we have been told, that the TMC worker was allegedly stabbed to death. But this is to wait and watch what exactly more will be coming on from the ground level. But as we are talking, this is the second phase of the West Bengal election. And what we have been told that this kind of incident is coming in light from Medinapur area. But we have to wait for the official confirmation what exactly has happened. But this has been alleged by TMC that these were the TMC workers who are stabbed to death. And they are alleging that these were the Bharatiya Janata Party workers. But yes, this is to wait. Again, I'm pointing it out. When the official confirmation comes in, what exactly has happened. But when we are talking at this point in time, this is the phase 2 of West Bengal election. And this exactly is the most important phase of the West Bengal. And that's why the central forces have been already deployed. The Election Commission is keeping a tight vigil on the same. And when we are talking about these particular areas, then let me tell you, seeing the same, Haldia SDPO has been already transferred. So not to go with any kind of miscreancy and to keep control, keep in control the law and order situation, this all measures have been taken. But although on the other hand we are getting this kind of news from the ground, we have to wait for the confirmation that what exactly has happened. But this has been alleged by TMC that TMC worker has been stabbed to death. We have to wait for the more official confirmation. Yes.
Absolutely. Of course, the Election Commission has also sought an inquiry into this. Now, still to come, prohibitory orders, of course, are in place in Nandigram. Section 144 has been imposed in the constituency till 2nd of April.